Now you'll understand trading, friend. This is a channel for people who want to step up and take action. This is the Max Bot channel. I'm a trader with decade of experience. I'm assisted by a smart robot assistant who monitors the market and shares detailed indicator reports and recommendations. You can get this bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who do not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. Do not miss new informative videos. Click on the subscribe button and on the bell. Put a like and write comments, I appreciate it. So, it's time to get to work. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, 5-minute time frame. The robot showed me a recommendation, active selling. 8 indicators are burning red. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. Historical data shows us that sellers have been really actively building volume in the past hour. This should help them build more momentum. The price will continue to move within the descending corridor. Friends, attention. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's start with a reality no one wants to admit. Trading isn't about luck. It's not about catching a lucky candle and quitting your job the next day. It's a battlefield. And what wins battles? Strategy, discipline, and risk control. So, let's get 2 things right from the start. First, money management. If you're risking more than 1% to 2% of your deposit on one trade, you're not trading, you're gambling. Imagine you're watching Ocean's 11. Casino robbery looks slick in movies, but the pros always plan each step meticulously. In trading, that plan is your risk rule. If you've got $500, your position size is $5 to 10 max. That's how you survive the drawdowns. That's how you stay in the game. Second, risk is part of the process. You've probably had losing streaks. You've seen the red. You've felt the doubt. But here's the thing, J.K. Rowling got rejected before Harry Potter became a phenomenon. Steve Jobs got fired, only to come back and build Apple into the world's most valuable company. Harry Potter lost battles before winning the war. Every losing trade is a lesson. Every candle that stops you is data. Don't fold. Learn. Now, let me tell you about a game changer. A smart robot assistant designed to help traders cut through chaos. Unlike hype bots that promise the moon, this assistant analyzes market structure, reads price action, and gives recommendations based on clean setups, not emotions. It's free, right now. In a month, it goes behind a paywall. So if you're serious about getting clarity, link in the description. Grab it while it's free and let it sharpen your edge. I've seen people quit 9-to-5 jobs because they built consistent income through discipline and smart systems, with tools like this. Not because they got lucky ones. Because they leveled up daily. Yes, trading is risky. Just like launching a startup or investing in real estate. But it's not reckless if you manage it. It's calculated. I finalized the first deal. It's time to take another step. I invest no more than 2% of the amount in the account. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link is below the video. So, I clicked on the green button. The bot showed me 9 indicators that shout about the growing advantage of the bulls. From the price movement chart, I see a smooth rise over the past 30 minutes. I see that bulls are saturating the market more actively. The histogram of tick volume speaks about it. I think the sellers will not turn the tide in the coming minutes. Guys, we help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. If you're not journaling your trades, you're leaving progress on the table. Ask yourself after each session, did I follow my playbook? Which indicators guided me? RSI, MACD, volume, trend confirmation? Where did I exit? Emotions or logic? Think of Moneyball. The team uses data to expose hidden value. You can too. Seek repeatable patterns, bottlenecks in your thinking, leaks in your process. I want to hear from you, so drop a comment. Tell me what indicators you use, how you size positions, what patterns you're building. Let's stack the comment section with real traders solving real problems. Hit like if this sparked something. Subscribe if you want more no BS, strategy-focused content. Now, a quick look ahead. The metaverse as a market frontier. Imagine a digital world like Ready Player One, where people interact, build, and trade in virtual environments. Now layer financial infrastructure on top. Tokens representing real assets, virtual real estate, synthetic currencies. This is coming, and it's not science fiction. Metaverse platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox let users own virtual land, build experiences, and monetize interaction. That means new financial markets within the digital realm. Currencies trade in real time. Instruments are launched inside VR worlds. Liquidity pools form where users interact. Imagine trading your USD while your avatar attends a virtual conference in a digital city. For traders, this means new asset classes, faster markets, longer trading windows across time zones, real-time sentiment displayed in social spaces. A trader might scan price charts and feel herd sentiment in the same interface. In the meantime, I have completed my work. You can see the result on your screens. Friends, put a like if you were inspired by this video and if it helped you. Subscribe, click on the bell, get the bot and subscribe to my Telegram channel. Links in the description. Next, more interesting.